Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now I'm kind of excited for today's video actually. I'm doing this video basically because I've gotten one or two DMs asking me to share my YouTube analytics, especially for the month of December with the whole VLOGMAS trend and everything. So today's video is going to be me talking about my analytics for December. Guys, I worked my ass off in December. Okay, I worked my ass off. I was uploading a video every single day in December. There were a couple of days I skipped because I just could not keep up. Automatically I should have posted 25 videos in December, but I think I was only able to post 21, which I still think was great. So I'm going to be showing you guys my analytics for the month of December, what my analytics looked like while I was consistently uploading every other day, and the juicy parts, how much YouTube paid me for all the plenty work I did in December. That's the important part. Just want to let you guys know, was VLOGMAS really worth it? We shall see. So if this is something that you're interested in seeing, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to be showing you guys a screen recording of my laptop right now. I have my laptop on my lap, literally. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is my homepage, my dashboard, and I just clicked on analytics right here and it's giving me this page. So this is like my current status right now. But I'm going to just filter this according to December 2020, which is right here. And yeah. So first things first, overview. In December, people watched your videos 106,353 times. So literally in the month of December, I got a total of 106,000 views, and you can see that, you know, highlighted here as well, which I think is really good because of course I put out more videos than normal, and that in turn gave me way more views, which I think is good. Under my watch time, you can see I had 12.7k hours of watch time, which is okay for a number of subscribers, I guess. And I gained about 470 subscribers in December. Quite frankly, with the whole VLOGMAS thing, I was really hoping I would gain more subscribers. As a matter of fact, guys, I was hoping we would get to 10k in that December. But it just goes to show you that you cannot plan this YouTube thing, okay? Whenever it happens, it happens. And I feel like VLOGMAS was so oversaturated in December. Like everybody's mother, grandma, everybody's father, everybody was doing VLOGMAS in December, and I feel like that also, you know, made me get lost in the pool of people that were doing VLOGMAS worldwide. So that's another thing. If I had done VLOGMAS in 2019 or maybe in 2018, maybe I would have gotten more subscribers and everything. But I feel like December of 2020, a lot of people were doing VLOGMAS, and as such, my content was not reaching the number of people I was expecting, right? The juicy parts for all of my hard work, in December, I was paid $708, which, to be honest, I was hoping for more. Let me not even lie, I like money, okay? I was hoping for more, but $708 is the most I have ever been paid by YouTube in a month, okay? So yeah, I'm going to go into the breakdown of how this monies came to be so you guys can see all that jazz. Scrolling down, you can see my top videos in December. My most watched video was the life in Asaba, Nigeria, how we celebrated Christmas 2020 in the village. This got me about 6,750 views, which I get on a regular if I upload like every other month, every other video. So that's to show you again, guys, videos are not really getting to a lot of people like that. Do you get? So the second top video was my help is not coming back after Christmas. This one got about 5,400 and something. And then the third one, my help left us and my daughter wasn't having it. I mean, my daughter wasn't happy, one of them, and this got to 5,400 and something as well. Let's go ahead and look at my reach for the month of December. So my impressions is I got 1.1 million impressions, and you can see here that it's 35% higher than what I would normally get in a month. So automatically what this means is that I got my videos and my thumbnails were seen by 1.1 million people. Whether or not they clicked on the video, that's another story. But in December, my videos reached 1.1 million people, which I am not mad at, and which I think is also my best like since I started uploading videos, you know, on YouTube. Over here you can still see my views, 106,000, and then unique viewers is about 19,000. In December, my top traffic source was from Instagram, so it's showing here that 48.9% of the people that watched my videos came from Instagram. And then also Google search, I have about 8 point something percent who also came via Google search. I also have over 50% of the people who searched for Alma Ungu on YouTube and watched my videos. Under engagement, you can also see my watch time in hours, which was 12.7. so I literally had 12,700 hours of watch time in December, and my average view duration was 7 minutes and 10 seconds, which means that the average person that watched my videos in December watched for about 7 minutes 10 seconds. So my top geographies, obviously my top geography is Nigeria, with a whooping 38.9% of people watching from Nigeria, followed by United States 15.3%, my US people, and then the UK 14.4%, Canada 5%, Germany 2.8%. And then watch time from subscribers is showing over here that 60.5% of the people that watched my videos in December are subscribed to my channel, and a whooping 39.5% were not subscribed and probably are not still subscribed. You people should please subscribe to my channel, I'm begging you, okay? Let's go to revenue and see a breakdown of that $708. As you guys can see here, my revenue for December was $708, as you can see, which is 124% more than I usually was receiving every month from YouTube, which I completely am happy about, okay? And my CPM was $10.94, which I'm not mad at. My CPM usually is between $5–6, so in December my CPM went up to about $10.94, which I'm not mad at, okay? So yeah, let's scroll down so you guys can see. Over here my top earning videos. Now listen very carefully, guys. My top earning video for December was the live video I did in December. You guys don't know, I went live on YouTube for the very first time in December, and let me explain how this money came to be. I made $90 from that video alone, and here is why, okay? While I was doing the live video, my super chat was enabled. Super chat is like an avenue on YouTube where those who are watching your live can literally send you money, okay? I had a couple of you send me money during the live chat. I even got so emotional and I even broke down, and what I received from you guys basically was about $90. I think this is also in addition to the ads that ran on that live video after it was published. You can see, if I scroll up here, you guys can see that December 11 was when I went live. These are all regular uploads, and then this is my live. You can see how high this arc is right now. My second top earning video was my life in Asaba, the Christmas video, and this earned me about $51. And then the next one was making Sunday jollof, attending a hair salon party. This made me about $40, and then the rest were like $30-something, $20-something, like that, okay? So my revenue sources is showing that the bulk of the monies I got in December came from my estimated ad revenue. As you can see, I made about $620 from ads alone in December, and then my transaction revenue, I made about $82, which is my super chat revenue, and then my YouTube Premium revenue, which is those who are subscribed to YouTube Premium, I made about $5. That's it, guys. I don't think there's anything else to show you guys. You guys have seen basically what I made in the month of December. Doing the mathematics, $708. When I got my paycheck a few days ago, it was about 270-something thousand naira, which is amazing because I haven't earned that much before in a month on YouTube. I usually earn between $300 and $400 a month, but seeing this made me so happy and just made me understand that this YouTube thing is just consistency, okay? How consistent are you? That's basically what YouTube is about. The funny thing is that once I stopped uploading every day, my estimated revenue took a nosedive. Like, it went down like this. Like, I don't think I'm even going to earn up to $400 in this January, but we move still. This year I'm really praying to get at least 1 or 2 viral videos, because that's another thing that helps with YouTube. I'm hoping I can get like 2 viral videos that would just shoot me up a bit, and I probably will be earning something substantial. The goal for me this year is to be earning about $1,000 every month here on YouTube. That is the goal, and that is what a viral video does, because if you have a viral video, you keep getting viewers on that video, and you more or less have a pedestal. Like you can be earning about $1,000 or a little over $1,000 every month, whether or not you upload content, because that viral video is doing the work for you. So that is my aim for this year. Was Vlogmas worth it for me? Yes, I would say it was worth it for me, because I mean, I earned the most I've ever earned on YouTube. I'm hoping that this year's Vlogmas would be better. This year, December is still far. Who knows, I might have had 1 viral video or 2 before then, fingers crossed. So yeah guys, that's all I have for you guys in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching a video like this. If you enjoyed watching, please subscribe. If you're not yet subscribed already, thumbs up the video, leave me a comment down below as always, and let me know also if Vlogmas was beneficial for you as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.
When we're doing our thing, we're the wheels that won't stop turning. So take me on a trip.